There guys, Aaron Baker here at Tillamook, Oregon, right outside the Tillamook Cheese Factory. I'm going to go inside, see if they'll give me a little tour. I'm so excited, guys. Look, I'm going to go to the viewing area here. But first, check it out. So, dairy farm.
Don't give milk.
Okay, this is interesting. They have a little sample area here. Here's where you can try the curds. Let's try that. Give you a little toothpicks. Tastes good. Oh, look at that. Okay, so those are solid blocks of cheese there, going down that conveyor belt. It's like he's gonna push it. Oh, he pushes it through those wires and it just cuts it in blocks.
Yeah, but first they cut it the ends of it.
No? And then he pushes it through another wire and it cuts it into your little traditional cheese blocks.
Like 1 pound.
They're 1 pound? 2 pounds? And then look, he feeds them on a little belt and it goes around in an S. Oh, goes on a conveyor, separated. Oh, and it goes on this. Now we got some ladies down here. What are they doing? Weighing them. Is that testing the weight? Okay, and then it goes down to another machine. Oh, and that's the packager. See, it goes down inside there.
Oh, this is a big one.
It puts it in a bag. There it is. Oh, it's not sealed yet. Then it goes down again, down to this lady. And then there's another machine. It's coming out over there, completely sealed. And then where's it going? It's going back over here, up this, completely sealed, packaged. Keeps going. There it is. Oh, and it goes out of the room. Okay, and over here on this side, they're making the 5 pounders.
Yeah, if there is not enough weight, then it's
Okay, so she adds a little bit of cheese to it if it's not enough. Okay. Now look at this. That is the automatic weigher. It automatically weighs it, and if it's not to weight, it diverts it onto a different conveyor belt. You see that? The outside ones are not up to weight, and then they grab off of that, and then she adds a little bit more cheese to it.
But is it in grams? See, it's grams, it's the powder. It's in grams.
Yeah, I know. We can go to the next window here. All they're doing is a larger block of cheese here. I believe same process. Okay guys, this place is pretty amazing. It's big, and this self-guided tour is really nice, and it's got all the information here you need. We were just right over there viewing. I walked out through here, and what we have on the other side here is the huge cheese vats. So that's where they process the raw milk, sterilize it, and make it into curds, the cheese curds, and then eventually age it and make your different cheeses. I can't tell you much more. There is a lot of information here to find out the true process, but I'm just giving you the quick little tour here.
Quality Tillamook cheese. Tillamook cheese tastes better because it's made better.